Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add your bank account in Ajio for a refund. It's simple and quick process, so let's get right into it. First, open the Ajio app or visit the website. Once you are on the home screen, look for the option called Ajio Wallet and tap on it. Now inside the Ajio Wallet section, you will see your refundable amount listed there. Tap on the amount to proceed. Next, you will be redirected to the My Orders page. Here, select the order from which you want the refund and choose the option to transfer fund to your bank account. Once you select the transfer option, a form will appear. Enter your bank account number and IFSC code and carefully then hit the submit button. After that, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number and email. Enter the OTP and tap on confirmed OTP. That's it. You will get a confirmation message on your screen, and your transfer request will be proceeded immediately. Now just sit back and your refund will be credited to your bank account within 24 hours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tips like this. See you in the next video.